How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we are going to learn Science of Class 3rd. Chapter name is Birds. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about 5 topics. Here are some 5 topics. First are body parts of a bird, food habits of bird, birds bath and care of birds, how do birds fly and nest of birds. So students, as you all know that birds are very most beautiful animals found in nature. We saw many birds around us. They are of different type, different shapes, different colors. Okay, so crows, sparrows, pigeon, parrots and hens are some birds that we commonly see around us. Okay, so tell me what kind of birds that cannot fly? Like penguin, ostrich and emu, they cannot fly. So now we will discuss about first topic, body parts of a birds. So students, in this part there are body parts have birds have different types of body parts. So two eyes, beak, wing, tail, feet and claws, feathers. Okay, the body of the bird is covered with feathers. Okay, the bird body is covered with feathers. And how many types of feathers are there? There are 3 types of feathers. So body feathers, down feathers and flight feathers. So we will discuss about body feathers. What are body feathers? That covers a bird's body. Okay. Second, what are down feathers? Down feathers are very small, soft and fluffy feathers that keep the birds warm. Third, flight feathers. And what are flight feathers? Flight feathers are long and helps a bird to fly. Flight feathers are present on tail and wing. Okay. So second, beaks. So as you all know that students, birds eat their food with the help of beaks. Birds don't have teeth like human beings. They use their beaks to catch and eat foods. Different birds have different kinds of beaks depending on the foods they eat. For example, birds such as sparrow, pigeon and peacock. Pigeon and peacock have short and strong beak to crush seed and grains they eat. Okay, so here are water birds. Water birds such as duck and goose have broad and flat beak. You can look in this picture, broad and flat beak with tiny holes on either side to filter out excess water. So here, birds such as eagle and vulture and hawk, okay, have strong beaks. They have very strong and sharp and hooked beak to tear the flesh they eat. Okay, so look here. Sunbird and hummingbird have long, as you can see here, long and pointed beak to suck nectar from flowers. Parrots and woodpecker. Okay, so parrots are, as you know student, parrots are very beautiful birds. Okay, parrot has short and curved beak. You can look here, curved beak which helps them to crack open nuts and seed. And what about woodpecker? Woodpecker has also strong, pointed and chisel sharp beak to make holes in tree trunk and pulls out insect. So look here, kingfisher and crane. Kingfisher and cranes have spear shaped beak. They are designed for fishing. Okay, they eat fish. Both birds eat fish. Now we will discuss about feet and claws. So as you all know that students, birds have 2 feet with their claws. Okay, this is called feet and with the help of the claws. Okay, they use their feet to walk. As in human beings we need leg to walk, but in birds they need feet to walk, hop, swim and to hold their foods. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. Okay, so first, perching birds. What are perching birds? Perching birds like pigeon, sparrows, crows have 3 toes. You can look here, 1, 2, 3 toes in front and 1 toes at the back. Okay. Flesh-eating birds such as eagle, vulture and owls have sharp and curved claws. You can look here, shaft and curved claws called talons. Scratching birds. What are scratching birds? Scratching birds such as hens use their claws. This is called claws. Okay, this is called claws to scratch and dig the ground to find worms. Now look here, climbing birds. Climbing birds such as woodpecker and parrot. Okay, both birds use their toes. This is called toes. Okay, to climb trees. With the help of toes, they climb the tree easily. They have 2 toes on the front and 2 toes at the back. Okay, so 4 toes, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. Wading birds. Wading birds such as herons and cranes have long leg with spread out toes, like spread out toes. Swimming bird such as duck, swan have webbed feet. You can look here, webbed feet means like look like this. Okay, this is called webbed feet. So then till then keep learning. Thank you.